The next area that we will explore is a sequence consists of two or more views, displayed one after the other in series, while pausing on each view for a specified period of time. Sequences can be viewed in a browser on the local machine or pushed to a decoder for display. Only views that already exist can be used in a sequence. Let's look at an existing sequence to familiarize ourselves with the configuration parameters. The sequences screen contains the following parameters. Similar to the views screen, the current name for the selected sequence is listed in the upper left of the screen. To the right of the current name is the editing field, which allows you to change the name to anything that you wish. Continuing across the top of the sequence view, you have the Save and Delete buttons. These buttons allow you to save a new sequence, update an existing sequence, or delete a sequence. Next is the Full Screen button. Click on this button to display the sequence in full screen on the local machine. Along the left of the sequence screen are your available views. Remember, a view must already exist to be used in a sequence. Finally, along the bottom of the sequence view is a horizontal list of the current views that have been added to the selected sequence. You can add, remove, and rearrange these views as necessary. To set the dwell of each camera, click on each of the cameras in this sequence. The dwell time is the amount of time that the camera will be displayed before switching to the next camera in the sequence. Change the duration time and then click on the green check mark to save the dwell time setting. Repeat this for each camera in the sequence. Click on the full screen button to display the sequence on the local machine. Click on the arrow to return to the sequence's setup page. To create a new sequence, click on the plus sign located just to the left of Sequences in the Operations menu. To add an existing view to this sequence, drag the desired view from the vertical list of views on the left, to the horizontal Current Views in Sequence list at the bottom of the screen. Once a view is added to the sequence, click on the view to set the duration or dwell time for this view. Click on the check mark to save. Once all views are added, name the sequence and save it. Once the sequence has been saved, it will be added to the list of sequences in the Operations menu. As mentioned earlier, these sequences can be viewed on a decoder or via the local display. To start the sequence on the local machine, click on Full Screen. To stop the sequence, click on the return arrow. Sequences provide a means to display a large number of cameras easily. Sequences provide an excellent alternative to the traditional 4x4 matrix in an easy-to-view format. The next area that we will cover in Operations is groups. Please return to the Operations playlist to begin the tutorial covering group.